Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I'm going to be taking you on a 360 tour of this approved used Volkswagen Transporter 2-litre diesel Highline in the short wheelbase. If you have any further questions about this vehicle, then please contact a member of the sales team on 0121 514 0632. So getting straight into it, this vehicle comes with separate daytime running lights as well as some front fog lamps with a cornering function. There are also some front parking sensors which are handy for navigating into those tight and tricky parking situations. The vehicle comes finished in a pure grey colour and is finished in solid paint, giving a really nice and gorgeous look to the van. Across both of the front wings there are some lovely transporter badging, and below this vehicle will sit on the 16-inch Clayton alloy wheels in a 5 twin-spoke star design. The vehicle comes with a single sliding door located on the passenger side. Behind reveals a fully ply-lined interior which comes with multiple lashing points useful for securing down those loads. The vehicle also comes with a full steel black bulkhead which provides an insulating layer from noise and temperature. Moving round to the rear of the vehicle, this van comes fitted with a tailgate which makes it useful for a variety of situations. Behind we can take another look at that steel black bulkhead as well as the ply-lined interior load area from the rear. Down below, the vehicle also comes with some rear parking sensors that work with the front to display that coloured Park Pilot display within the cab. The rear and front bumper as well as the door handles and top wing mirror caps have been colour coded to that lovely pure grey colour. Behind the driver's door, the driver is greeted with a 3-spoke leather-finished multifunction steering wheel, a touchscreen infotainment system, and some extremely comfortable and ergonomic bricks woven fabric upholstery finished in a titanium grey and palladium black colour. So ladies and gentlemen, that will finish the 360 walk around. Feel free to stick around as later on in the video we will explore that interior in greater detail. Again, if you have seen something that you'd like, then please contact a member of the sales team on 0121 514 0632. Also consider hitting that like button if you have seen something that you like and have enjoyed this video. So cracking on with the interior, the electric heated and power folding exterior mirrors controls are located on the driver's door card. Moving over to the 3-spoke multifunction leather finished steering wheel, the driver can completely customize their driver experience by cycling through a range of different options such as driving data, vehicle information, and even what's being displayed on the infotainment system. Over on the left hand side, the driver has the options for the cruise control as well as setting a speed limiter and other assist settings. This vehicle comes with App Connect, which allows you to seamlessly connect your Apple or Android smartphone to your vehicle using navigation apps such as Apple Maps and Google Maps, listen to your favorite music through Spotify or Apple Music, and also voice recognition in order to control your phone with your voice whilst driving safely, and much more. The infotainment system has access to DAB radio stations as well as connectivity for Bluetooth audio as well as an SD card slot. The climate controls in this vehicle come perfect for all year round with a front heated windscreen, perfect for no long starts on those cold winter mornings. In those lovely warm months there is also some climatic air conditioning system. The vehicle also comes in that lovely bricks woven fabric in the titanium grey and palladium black with some extra storage underneath the passenger bench, which is handy in a variety of different situations. So ladies and gentlemen, that will fully conclude this walk around of this approved used Volkswagen Transporter T28 Highline in the short wheelbase. If you have any further questions, then please do not hesitate to contact a member of the sales team on 0121 514 0632, and feel free to hit that subscribe button if you would like to stay up to date with all of our latest stock. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.